Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese coffee. This unique beverage combines the rich flavor of coffee with the creamy texture of cheese. You will need about 8 ounces of strong, hot coffee, a small piece of firm cheese, and a touch of your preferred sweetener. The key is selecting the right cheese to complement the coffee's robust notes, creating a surprisingly delicious drink. Now, let's prepare the star of our show, the cheese. Take a small, 1-inch cube of your firm cheese, such as Lepe Justo or a mild cheddar. Place this cheese cube directly into the bottom of your favorite coffee mug. Allowing the cheese to be at room temperature will help it soften and melt more evenly when the hot coffee is added, enhancing the overall experience. Next, carefully pour your hot, freshly brewed coffee directly over the cheese cube in your mug. The heat from the coffee will slowly begin to soften and melt the cheese, releasing its unique flavors into the drink. Give it a gentle stir to help the process along. If you prefer a sweeter taste, now is the time to add about 1 teaspoon of sugar or your favorite sweetener. Finally, it's time to enjoy your unique cheese coffee. Let the beverage sit for a moment, allowing the cheese to melt further and create a delightful, creamy texture. Take slow sips to fully appreciate the intriguing combination of savory cheese and robust coffee. This traditional Nordic beverage offers a comforting and surprisingly delicious experience, perfect for a cozy moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.